Hello everyone. Today, Winter Marketing Tool Channel will guide everyone on how to scrape Facebook groups based on keywords. Okay, let's get started. We will be using the MKT UID software. Here we can manage multiple Facebook accounts for scraping. Now, we select the Scan Groups by Keyword feature. Enter the keyword we want to scrape, choose the account category for scraping, and set the number of groups we want to scrape. Finally, click the Start button and let the software do the work. The software will log into Facebook and scrape groups based on the keywords we entered. After the scraping is complete, we can save the data into an Excel file. In this file, we will have information such as the group UID, group name, whether the group is private or public, moderated or unmoderated, the number of group members, and the group link. If you have any questions, please contact me using the information in the video description. Thank you, and see you again.